In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring tasks in Wrike. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. First, you want to make sure you're in your Wrike workspace. Navigate over to your task list, and when you find the specific task that you want to turn into a recurring one, go ahead and click on it. This action will open up the task's details panel where you can see all the information associated with that task. Once the task details are open, take a look at the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is where you'll find additional options for your task. Click on those dots and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, look for an option that says Make Recurrent. When you click on that, it will open up a configuration panel specifically for setting up the recurrence of your task. This is quite handy because it allows you to customize how often you want this task to repeat. Now, let's talk about configuring the recurrence settings. In this panel, you'll first need to select a specific start date and time for when you'd like the recurring tasks to begin. This helps you establish a clear timeline, ensuring you don't miss any of these tasks in your busy schedule. After you've set the start date and time, it's time to pick your preferred frequency. Wrike offers a variety of options, so you can choose whether you'd like the task to recur daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly. For instance, if you have a task that needs to be done every week, simply select the weekly option. If it's something you want to tackle every month, go for the monthly choice. This flexibility is one of the great features of Wrike that can really help keep your workload manageable and organized. Once you have everything configured to your liking, it's crucial to save the changes. Look for the Save button located at the bottom of the Settings panel. Clicking this will finalize your settings and ensure that your task is now set to recur according to the frequency you specified. And just like that, you've successfully set up a recurring task in Wrike. This feature can make a big difference in managing your tasks effectively, allowing you to focus on other important projects while maintaining order in your daily routine. Before we wrap up, remember that managing your tasks shouldn't feel overwhelming. With tools like Wrike, you can take control of your workflow and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. So, if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more useful content. That's all for today. I hope this tutorial on setting up recurring tasks in Wrike has empowered you to organize your work better. Now, go ahead and implement what you've learned and make those recurring tasks